Imagine a company using data flow to ingest data and send it to BigQuery for analysis, but they're encountering some dirty data that can't be cleaned with those predefined models. What's the best way to tackle a data cleansing challenge like this?
Creating another data flow pipeline specifically for data cleaning would be the way to go. This serverless approach gives them the flexibility and scalability they need for these complex data cleansing tasks, without relying on predefined models. Think of it as adding an extra filter to their data pipeline, making sure only clean data reaches BigQuery.
So they're building a custom cleaning process tailored to their specific data challenges.
Mm.
Okay, now let's talk about those long-running jobs and preventing them from being accidentally terminated. So if an employee who started a long-running job leaves the company, how can you make sure that job doesn't get terminated when their access is revoked?
This is where service accounts come in handy. The recommended practice is to create a dedicated service account for the job, grant it the necessary permissions, and then give employees access to that service account. Instead of giving them direct access to resources, think of it like creating a robot worker. It's responsible for the job. Employees give it instructions, but they don't directly interact with the sensitive resources. Even if an employee leaves, the service account keeps running the job.
That's a smart way to decouple user access from application functionality.